If you've ever tried to build a full AI video from scratch, you know exactly how it goes. You find a tool for the script, great. Then you need images, different tool. Then animation, another tool, this one behind a paywall. By the time you're halfway through, you've hit 3 credit limits, 2 paywalls, and 1 tool that only works in a demo but breaks the moment you try a real project. We've all been there, going on YouTube, searching free AI video creation, and finding nothing that actually holds together from start to finish. Well, that ends today. Using completely free tools, no trials, no credit card, nothing. I'm going to walk you through an entire long-form AI video workflow from scratch. Script, images, animation, voiceover, and editing. And I'm not just giving you one tool per step. I'll give you several options at every stage, so you can pick what works best for you. Plus, I'll share every prompt you need for this workflow, also completely free. One thing before we start. On this channel, we only cover tools that actually work in a real workflow, not just in a demo. If that's the kind of content you're here for, hit like and type "continue" in the comments. That's how I know what to make next. Step 1. The script and visual plan. This is the step most people skip. Without it, the video drifts by scene 5. Head to arena.ai. This gives you free access to the most powerful text and reasoning models available, without burning through a quota the moment a long project starts. Click Direct from the top menu, then select ChatGPT as your model. This puts you into a clean, focused chat with one of the strongest reasoning models available, and it's completely free to use here. Now copy the video idea generator prompt, which you can see on your screen. I'll also link it in the description. Paste it into Arena and hit enter. Arena comes back with 20 distinct video ideas. Each idea has core concept, explanation for why it is good for AI visuals, monetization potential, and difficulty level. Go through them. Read each one. Pick the idea that makes you think, I would actually watch that. I'm going with idea number 20. What would happen if humanity disappeared? Now stay in the same chat. Don't open a new one. Paste in the writer and planner prompt, which you can find in the description. This prompt has 2 placeholders. First, your chosen video idea. Second, a word count. I am inserting the idea I've chosen. Then I set the second placeholder to 1,500 words. By the way, 150 words of voiceover equals roughly 1 minute of video. What comes back is not just a script, it's a full production map. Every scene is numbered. Every scene has 3 things attached: the voiceover line for that moment, an image prompt to generate the visual, and a video prompt to animate that image. Now you have both the script and visual plan. You're not just ready to make a video, you're ready to make this specific video, scene by scene, in order. Step 2. Image generation. Every scene now gets a visual. Open Meta AI and click Create Image to start generating your scenes. Go back to Arena, take the image prompt from scene 1 in your production map. After pasting it to Meta, add 16:9 format to the end. Without that, Meta defaults to a vertical image. Finally, hit Generate. Meta gives you 4 results at once, which means you're actually choosing, not just accepting whatever the model decides first. If the image is almost right but not quite, you can enter editing prompt directly here to the right side of the image. Meta updates the result without starting over. Now I will do the same for other scenes, starting from scene 2. Again, I copy the prompt first. Paste the prompt. Add the text 16:9 format. See results. Pick one. Download. Move on to the next scene. Before step 3, one quick thing. I put together the Faceless YouTube engine, a beginner-friendly guide to building a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. 9 stages. No fluff. Each chapter comes with a checklist, homework, and a sample video built right alongside you. Never made a video before? This is where you start. Link is in the description. Step 3. Video generation. Now the still images move. This is where the video starts to feel like a real production. Meta AI handles this too. The same tool that generated your images can animate them, Up to 50 clips per day for free. Go to Meta AI. This time, click Create Video. Upload Scene 1's image. Copy the video prompt for Scene 1 from Arena. Paste it to Meta and hit Generate. Watch the clip. Is the camera doing what the prompt asked? If yes, move on to the next scene. If not, regenerate. You have the quota for it. Do the same for remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the video prompt, generate, review, save. The pattern is clear. Same steps every time. For me, this part of the process is very fun. Here's what that looks like in the end. The video library of scenes generated. One note on watermarks. The free tier adds a small logo to the corner of each clip. Here is an easy fix. Search Starry VMake Logo Remover on Google. Go to the first result and upload your clip. It strips the logo cleanly without touching the rest of the frame. Run all clips through before you bring them into the edit. Step 4. Voiceover. A consistent voice ties the entire video together. One narrator, every scene, no robotic edge. Search Google AI Studio, click the first result, then Get Started. That takes you straight into the text-to-speech tool. Before you generate anything, pick a voice. Click through a few options and hit Preview on each one. You'll hear a short sample of how each voice sounds.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
What sparks your interest?
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Ready to make something amazing?
I'm going with Algiaba for this video. It sits lower in pitch than most of the defaults, which gives the narration more weight. Authoritative but not stiff. Lock it in once you find the right fit. Work scene by scene. Don't paste the full script in one block. Paste the voiceover line for scene 1. Generate and listen back before moving to the next. If one line sounds slightly off, fix it in isolation and regenerate just that clip. Here's what scene 1 sounds like with the Algiaba voice.
Imagine this. At this exact moment, every human on Earth simply vanishes. No warning, no explosion, no final message. Just silence.
That's the quality you're working with across the full video. Repeat for every scene until the voiceover is complete. One more reminder before I show the final video. My guide, the Faceless YouTube Engine, maps the complete 9-stage pipeline, from picking your niche all the way to publishing consistently. Every chapter ends with homework, and a sample video is built with you, so nothing stays abstract. If you are already making videos, this guide can cut your production time in half. Link in the description. Step 5. The edit. This is where everything lands on one timeline. Voiceover, visuals, music, and transitions in order. Open CapCut, free on desktop, browser, and mobile, and put the voiceover down first. Always import your narration audio and drop it on the timeline. Now you can see the shape of the video, where the energy is, where the pauses are, how the pacing moves. That waveform is your edit map. Import your numbered clips and lay them above the audio in order. No guessing, no hunting through clips. Drag scene 01 over the opening narration, scene 02 over what follows, and keep going. If a scene is too long, you can trim it or slow it down. If it is too short, you can make it slower, or you can duplicate and reverse to make a longer scene. Add transitions between clips to smooth the cuts. Don't go heavy on effects. Subtle cross dissolves and light zoom transitions do more for a video's watchability than anything flashy. A few well-placed transitions make the whole thing feel intentional. For background music, go to Google Studio and open the audio library. Set the genre filter to ambient, then set the mood filter to calm. Listen to the first result. Just a few seconds is enough to feel whether it fits. If the tone is right, download it. The tracks are free and cleared for YouTube monetization. Download the track. Import it into CapCut. Drop it on the bottom audio layer and bring the volume down, around 15 to 20%. It should feel like atmosphere, not a music video. Now look at your timeline. Voiceover, clips in order, subtle transitions, background music. Export the video. Let's see the result.
Imagine this. At this exact moment, every human on Earth simply vanishes. No warning, no explosion, no final message. Just silence.
In 1 second, the noise of humanity collapses into a vacuum. Engines keep running, phones keep ringing, but no one is there to answer. Across the world, airplanes continue flying, but only for a little while.
With no one in the cockpit, autopilot keeps them steady until fuel runs out. Within hours, the first planes fall from the sky. On highways, cars drift off roads as tanks run dry and engines overheat. In cities, power plants keep running, at least at first. But without operators, systems begin to fail. Within days, most of the world goes dark. Nuclear reactors automatically shut down, but cooling systems can't run forever.
Before you start creating with this method, I want to share one important thing. Scaling this workflow is simple. If you want a longer video, go back to the writer and planner prompt in Arena and raise the word count. The workflow doesn't change. If you find this content useful and want more, type continue in the comments. I count every single one to decide my next video. And if you want to take this further now and learn creating faceless YouTube videos on autopilot, the next video on your screen walks you through the full AI video factory. See you there.